Hey guys, Crystal here for Unity. I have a fun focal point card using July's Kit of the Month and this gorgeous flower. For my supplies, we're using the Hello die from Mama Elephant, the Kit of the Month floral, a die cut of striped backgrounds, pretty pink posh jewels, and foam adhesive. We are going to begin by placing foam adhesive on the back of my striped background. And I'm going to cut strips of this and going to alternate the strips in between the cardstock. I'm going to remove the backing and place this on our card base. Once the card base is done, we are going to go ahead and finish coloring the leaves of this gorgeous floral from the July 2018 Kit of the Month. It is such a beautiful image. It could be used for weddings, birthdays, anything really goes. Using G82 for the lightest color, G24 for a middle ground, and G17 for the darkest shade. I'm gonna hand cut the entire floral image. Next, we're gonna be using a round die, and we are going to remove the die from the actual floral. Using liquid adhesive, we're gonna adhere the floral onto the card base, and then with foam adhesive using 2 layers, we're going to place them together. We're going to cut 5 of the Hello dies from Mama Elephant. Using liquid adhesive, I'm going to place it on each Hello and stack each die cut. This creates a really nice and thick die cut. I'm going to place that Hello on the card base, and to finish up the card, we're going to be using some of those yellow jewels from Pretty Pink Posh. And this does it for this really fun summery Hello card. Please leave a sweet comment below and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed the tutorial. Thanks so much.